give a message to young women in Africa with regards to, getting into agriculture, what would your message be?
Well, there is a lot of opportunity in the agricultural sector. Of course, for young people, agriculture is not very attractive. It's a lot of work. It's not paying enough. But now what we are saying is you have to think about agriculture as a business. Of course, governments have to provide support so that young people have access to finance, have access to markets, have access to technology, so that agriculture becomes profitable and exciting for young people. And there are lots of opportunities, and I really encourage young women especially to look into agriculture as a future for their income and growth, and being very much into the business sector. So there is a lot of opportunity in this area, and I hope young women in Africa also take advantage of this opportunity.